What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is the Paxis pressure washer. I'm going to go ahead and show you this awesome pressure washer. This is a really great gift for anyone that owns a car. It'll save a whole lot of time washing their car. I'll shoot off the specs real fast for you guys that are interested in the specs. The power is 1800 watts. The max pressure is 3000 psi. The max water flow is 2.5 GPM, and this particular model runs on 120 standard volts. So I'll go ahead and set it up. Comes with an extended warranty card, manual. Here's the feet or the wheels, and the hose holder. Here's the nozzles. Lock this in. And what's nice about the wheels is that they do lock. This pressure washer is extremely lightweight and easy to use. All right, and with the hose, you just simply push it in, and then you twist this on. And the other end goes into the pressure washer gun. To release, you just press this button. It's easy to do. And right here, there's a lock. So if you want to lock it, you can lock it so your kids can't use it. So if you have a leak in your hose, you want to check each end of the hose, make sure that you have the O-ring installed. The handlebar is retractable. The lance easily attaches to the pressure washing gun. Just twist. And then to put on the nozzle, I'm using a 40-degree nozzle, which is great for washing your car. Just pull back and insert the nozzle, and then pull forward, and it's locked in. Now if you're using a 0-degree nozzle, that can take the clear coat off your car. Next step, insert the hose. Make sure there's an O-ring installed or else it will leak. Then turn on the hose water, and next you want to turn on the pressure washer machine and start rinsing your car. Done. In less than 20 minutes, I got both cars washed with this small but powerful power washer. I call it Mighty Mouse. And I highly recommend getting these microfiber mittens. They make drying your car a whole lot easier and faster. Guys, if you know anyone that's interested in an ultimate car washer, pressure washer, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them. If you're interested in this pressure washer yourself, go ahead and click on the link below. There's a coupon code there for you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos.